This is our Soray sa Marina Bay, Gardens by the Bay, with Tita, the kids. This is from last August. There you go. It's so nice. So, diha, lahi-lahi ang ilang mga activity. Na timingan mi na Inside Out ang movie that time. So, mopod ilan na i-timing sa mga themes of the month or na mga new nga salida. So, lingaw kay mga bata. So, each activity na different emotions. Lipay kay ang gamayng bata. Oh. It's so nice. Daghang activity and all. This is the counter for the activity area. So, this is where the kids play. Oh, amazing, diba? So, like and subscribe in our channel. More travels to come. Bye!